Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey. It is your girl Tash coming at you live looking rough and a bunch of stuff. But I just left the Dollar Tree and I just quickly wanted to do an unofficial video and do a small haul for you guys. So I went in for thank you cards because I've been selling a ton online and don't mind the messy car, y'all. And I wound up with an entire bag of stuff. I love this bag, by the way. I think Sharon sent me this bag. It says just be you. So anyway, let me grab a drink of water and I'm going to haul for you guys. So this is a Dollar Tree that I don't really get to a lot. It's just kind of out of my way. And so I haven't been in quite a while. So I picked up 2 of the Bolero Rose Water and Aloe wipes, 30 count in each. You guys, they had a ton of Maybelline lipsticks. And I just talked to you guys about the lipsticks and how much I love them. So I kind of couldn't resist these and I picked up several. So some of these are actually new shades. This one is Matte Carnal Brown. And since I'm in the car, I can't wash my hands right now. I'm not going to swatch these right now. And then I picked up Romantic Rose, which is by Color Sensational. I think these all are. So there's that one. And then I also picked up Chocoholic. It says it's a new shade. It's number 785 for those of you that are interested. I think this is a matte shade. And then I picked up Copper Rose. It looks pretty on the bottom. And so this is a metallic shade. Again, it says it's a new shade. So I don't know. And then I also picked up Gray Over It. And it looks like this really pretty kind of grungy kind of brown. So I'm really excited to try this one. Actually, I'll swatcheroo for you guys really quickly. I've put hand sanitizer on, so we should be Gucci. So this is number 765, Gray Over It. Ooh, girl, that's right up my alley. Yeah, it's like this grungy brown, perfect for me. And this one's one of their Silky Lipsticks, so this is a satin finish. Just FYI. All right, so moving on, I did pick up a couple of pairs of Ione lashes. I know you guys are probably going, girl, but you don't wear lashes. I know. But I'm going to practice. So I got this pair here. And then I also got this pair here. These are the 3D Faux Mink lashes. So this one is called Wispy Full Dramatic, I believe. And then this one's called Wispy Dramatic. So pretty. So pretty. They also had some new LA Colors stuff. And I grabbed what I was able to find. Unfortunately, I couldn't find everything. Oh, I missed a lipstick. This one is Metallic Silk Stone, number 974. That says it's a new shade as well. There's probably more down in here, you guys. Y'all know how I am about my Maybelline lipsticks. Your girl don't play. Okay, so for the LA Color stuff, oh my gosh, there's another Maybelline lipstick. This one is in Pretty and Plum, number 405. Says it's a new shade. Okay. So here's the LA Color stuff, and it looks like they had some new liners. This one is in Jammin', and it's a really pretty shimmery green. They have cream blushes. I picked up 2, one in the shade Hypnotized, which looks like a pretty coral. And then I also got Adorned, which is like this pretty pink. And then they had some nude glam lipsticks. This shade is called Bear With Me. I actually grabbed this lipstick before I found all the Maybelline ones, so don't get on me. They also had some blushes, highlighters, and bronzers, and these are the Nude Glam collection. So I got the blush in Peachy Keen. And then, just a second, guys. Okay. And then I also picked up the highlighter in Glowing. And then I got a bronzer. I'm looking for it. Here we go. The bronzer is in Siren. I don't know if this shade's going to work for me, but we're going to try. All right. So there's my LA Color stuff. Video coming soon. Stay tuned. Then I went in for thank you cards and doggy poop bags. I think they're called doggy waste bags, but whatever. So I did find a bunch of these. The lady was so fucking rude, you guys. Like, I was like, ma'am, do you guys sell, you know, the doggy... I couldn't think of the word waste. It's too early. Like, they literally just opened. And I was like, you know, the doggy poop bags. And she's like, if we did, they'd be over there, but I don't think so. I said, no, you guys sell them. I just got to find them. And so I went by her and I go, got them! Kill them with kindness. Okay, so you get 60 a piece. You get 15 bags in each roll. You get 4 rolls. I got the black ones. I got the red ones with the cute little doggy bones. And then, girl, do you know they had plaid poop bags? Period. I had to get these. So you get 2 of the blue, 2 of the red. And I don't use these just for poop bags for Boo. You can use them for feminine products. You can use them for literally whatever you want. They don't have to be just for doggy poop bags. Okay, so I picked up these 2 kind of ugly notepads just for leaving notes for Nick. My grandparents no longer work at the printing company, so I no longer get, you know, recycled paper to use for notepads. So this is basically what this is. Got 2 of them. There's 100 pieces each. And I needed a photo frame. My mom and I both. We got a 5x7 of my cute little nephew. I can no longer show him in videos just out of respect for my brother. There, you know, there's a lot of freaks out there. So, but he's super cute. And so he got his first school picture. So I got this one. I'm going to let mom pick whichever one she wants. And then I'll just take whatever. So this really cute blue and gold. And then this one... This one's really pretty. This will actually match my mom's kind of aesthetic. So hopefully she likes this one. But whatever she wants, she gets. All right. And so this whole bag right here, I believe, is filled with thank you cards. Because like I said, I sell a lot online. I was buying them at Walmart, but yeah, they're Hallmark cards just like these. And they were getting so expensive. I was like, I'm done. So I just bought 15 of these. I just dropped one, so I'm just going to kind of show you guys quickly. Some of them are the same, but they had some super cute prints. This has polka dots. I got 2 of those. I think I got 2 of those. There's another one of those. Had these before. And let's see. We got some more dupes in here. That one. I love this one. It's so cute. And then I already showed you guys that one. That one. I got 3 of these. And then I thought these were cute too. So there's my Dollar Tree haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed an unedited video with me. I apologize if my phone kind of froze at all. It's loaded down with a lot of pictures. And yeah, it just kind of happens. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. What was the last thing that you bought at Dollar Tree that you are just super stoked about? Also, I did not notice if everything here was $1.25. Like, when I was adding it up in my head, oh my gosh, I guess it was. Some things were $1, some things were $1.25. So, has it changed over completely in your area? Comment down below, let me know. Hope you guys, again, are having an amazing day wherever you are. I love you guys so, so much. If you're new here, hey, hi, what's up? My name is Tosh. And I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. I do plus-size fashion videos, a lot of beauty-related content, and dollar store content. I rarely make it back to the Dollar Tree anymore, but when I do, I guess I go all out. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Bye.